Welcome to Insurance Navy, serving Illinois and Indiana for over 10 years. We keep you updated with all the trending news stories. Make sure to like us and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
8 things you should never leave in a hot car. Many people know when it heats up outside. The inside of your car heats up even more. This is especially evident when you sit on those scorching seats while wearing shorts or burn your hands on the steering wheel. We've all been there, but many people misunderstand is that even when you park in the shade or have all the windows down, the heat inside the car becomes suffocating. Additionally, even on mild days when the outside temperature is a comfortable 70 degrees, the interior of a parked car can reach up to 100. When participating in summer activities and traveling from one destination to the next, it is convenient to leave certain things in the car. Even while running an errand, it is easy to leave certain belongings or even forget them in our vehicles. People do not always realize that leaving certain items in a hot car could lead to disastrous results. Some may even leave damages that will drive up the price of your local auto insurance. Here are quite a few things that you should never leave in your car on a hot day. Water bottles. Plastic water bottles are an item that seems completely innocent and easily forgotten in the cup holder, but many people do not realize the harmful effects it may have. When the sun hits the plastic, it can build up enough heat to burn through your seat when it reaches a certain angle. The heat can also allow for some of the chemicals from the plastic to mix with your water, making it harmful to drink even after it cools off. Sunscreen. Leaving sunscreen in your trunk is convenient, but many do not realize that by doing so, it reduces the effectiveness of the protection it offers. Also, it can explode, leaving a mess and a scent behind that you will be smelling until next summer. Disposable lighters. Leaving a disposable lighter in your vehicle to heat up can lead to an explosion, which results in expensive repairs. Medicine. The same idea with the sunscreen. If you leave your medication in your vehicle reaching substantial temperatures, it will lose effectiveness. People. This is especially prevalent with little kids and the elderly, and constantly repeat it. Never leave a person in a hot car, even if it is just for a minute. Younger children and the elderly are more susceptible to heat stroke, and the car can warm up faster than you anticipate. Pets. Your furry friends are a part of the family, and you should not leave any family member in a hot car. The results could be deadly, as dogs are very susceptible to heat stroke too. Glasses. Glasses have frames and lenses that can melt or partially melt in a hot vehicle, so try not to leave any type of glasses in your vehicle when it is hot outside. Hairspray. Hairspray is extremely flammable, which most people know. But the amount of pressure in the can lead to an explosion, creating damages similar to those of a lighter. Be cautious of what you leave in your vehicle this summer. Hot temperatures can produce devastating results, so be sure you have everything, especially people and pets, before locking and walking away from your vehicle.
Have an interesting topic you would like us to cover? Feel free to contact us. Did you know Insurance Navy specializes in a variety of insurance services, including auto, SR22, home, motorcycle, business, and more? Please call us at 888-949-NAVY or visit our website at insurancenavy.com. We would love to hear from you.